Painting in a sketchbook is not only a great way of exploring new ideas, but also an easy way of practicing painting techniques in the process. On the last page in my sketchbook, I decided to paint some stilettos using a limited palette. Cadmium Red Medium, Payne's Gray, Yellow Ochre, and Titanium White. It's basically the Zorn palette except I've replaced Ivory Black with Payne's Gray. Painting with acrylic on paper is different from painting on canvas because paper absorbs wet paint more quickly and gives you a shorter time to blend. Loading the brush with a lot of paint helps solve this problem. All these shoes were painted with the same limited palette, but this time I wanted to make it bolder by using less white. Instead of pink, I'm painting the shoes red. Earlier this year, I experimented with a complementary palette that I'm going to use for this painting. The secret to painting realistic subjects is tonal value. Keeping that in mind, I'm going to paint the inside of this shoe. Under all my paintings is a shaded pencil sketch. This helps me sort out the tonal value ahead of time. A high contrast highlight with white will give you that patent leather look, while a low contrast with red will give you a satin look. Now it's time to let loose and paint some pink peonies. The secret to realistic looking flowers is not to overdo it. That's sometimes difficult to do, but with regular practice, you'll know when to stop. The perks of using a limited palette is the ease in which you can adjust the color. For instance, just a hint of Payne's Gray will mute the brightness of a color. When you're practicing, be sure to add your own flair to your work. Experiment with color, texture, and shape. You'll soon find your own unique style in the process. Well, I hope you found this video on painting stilettos on paper useful. Until next time, have fun painting! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.